Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. So today I'm going to show you how to change the printer cartridge in a Brothers P-Touch label maker. Apparently Tater Tot wants to play in the video as well. So the first thing you do is you flip it over and then you push on the top here, which will open it. Then you pull off the back. Next, you want to make sure you see how the orientation is here for the old cartridge. And you just pull it straight out. Then you get your new cartridge. Make sure it all looks the same and everything. I'll leave a link in the comments below on where to get one. Then you open it up. Then you want to use the same way it went in before. And you just push down. Careful you don't break anything. It'll just click in place. Then you put the back cap back on. Back cover back on. And you're good to go. You have ribbon. So I hope this helped you out if you wanted to know how to change the ribbon cartridge for the P-Touch Brothers label maker. In the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions on how it works. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. And check out our Patreon in the description below. I'll see you guys later.